What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another review. This time we're going to be looking at the impact skin from RhinoShield, and we're going to be doing an installation video on my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let's check it out. So of course I can't install all of these, so I'm gonna just pick my favorite one that I've already predetermined that I'm going to put on, and it's going to be this one right here. All right, so got my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus right out here. First off, you gotta open this up. Once you get everything open, you want to make sure that you have all your materials. So I got the skin right here. That's it. And then got our RhinoShield pack right here. Nothing else is in this. Throw that to the side. And this little pack should have everything in it that we need for actual cleaning. So I'm going to open this up. Here we go. Got a terry cloth. Wipe down the screen. We got our little card that we're going to smooth everything out with. And we have some dust removers right here. I don't see any alcohol wipes in here. So what we're gonna do is just wipe down the back, make sure that it's nice and clean. Nice and clean. I'm gonna take one of these dust remover sticker thingies, and I like the bigger ones. I'm just gonna get all the dust off. Make sure that you're in a clean environment when you do this, so you don't want to have a whole lot of dust floating around in the room and all that stuff. Put that to the side now. So once you actually got your back nice and clean like you like it, you're going to take your actual film. You're going to peel off that middle portion, and then you're just going to line this up real nice, and just use your camera as the guide, and you're going to just drop it down. Now, once you get that in place and it looks like everything is good, you're gonna take your little squeegee, wrap your squeegee up, just so it doesn't press down too hard on this film. So I'm just wrapping the edge of the squeegee part. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this back up, and the adhesive is gonna kind of pull up. I'm just gonna lay it back down. Really nice, and then I'm gonna smooth everything out, and then I'm gonna do the exact same thing for the bottom portion. I'm just gonna lift it up, and that seal is gonna kind of crack just a little bit. I'm gonna grab it, and then I'm gonna slowly just let it come down, but I'm gonna take my squeegee and I'm just gonna press it down and pull this piece of plastic out. And I'm gonna take my squeegee now, and I'm just gonna run over the edging, but don't do like me. Leave your squeegee in here so that it stays nice and smooth and it doesn't bother the back. Now make sure you get all those edges down nice and neat. And there you go. You got a solid installation of the actual impact skin on the back of the phone. Now I wish it had been a little more curved to kind of come down over those sides just a little bit more, but you still get a nice presentation on the back of that phone, and you can change that color up. So clean up all your trash, get all that to the side. Next thing, you grab your crash guard right here. Got one on deck. Take the crash guard, drop the crash guard in, and there you go. You now have protection, no scratches on the back. You got corner protection, and you got edge protection on the front right there. So crash guard, impact skin, can't go wrong. It's a nice setup from the company RhinoShield. And just a side note, if you want to put a case on this, it's going to hinder it just a little bit because these cases are so thin and meant to just fit with the phone. That little extra layer will hinder it just a tiny bit from working well and fitting well with one of these cases. Now you can put it on there, but I would be scared I would run the risk of actually pulling this off at some point. So as you can see, they actually have tons to choose from, different types, different skins. So go by and check them out. I'm going to drop that link below so you can do that. But until next time, this has been the review of the RhinoShield Impact skin. A nice tough back, and then you add the actual crash guard with it, and you get a nice foam protection. And you get nice foam protection for that Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.